America is turning 250, so we thought, why not make your first month of IT training $250? Yep, $2.50. Hey, I'm Jake from Ascend Education, and for our 4th of July sale, you can start training with Ascend for just $250 for your first month. You'll get hands-on virtual labs, certification training, quizzes, video lessons, and access to courses covering CompTIA, Microsoft, AWS, and more. So, while everyone else is out watching fireworks, you can start building the skills that move your career forward. Your first month is $2.50. Then it's $59 a month after that. And of course you can cancel at any time. Click the link, grab the offer, and start training today.